This is a Total Parts Pro. Today they're the 2013 Toyota Landcruiser, stock number 6737. This ran from the 3rd 2007 to the 9th 2016. It has a 1VD 4.5 litre V8 diesel turbo engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the 1VD 4.5 litre V8 diesel turbo engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right hand door mirror, right front guard no dents, front snorkel, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,